To the pandemic, COVID-19, the leading cause of death this week in the United States, with nearly 12,000 fatalities. A new Pew Research study is revealing more than half of Americans say they know someone who's been hospitalized or who has died from coronavirus.
And the CDC released new face mask guidelines and now is calling for, quote, universal mask wearing for all indoor activity aside from a person's home, as well as outdoors when 6 feet of social distancing cannot be maintained. All of this as numbers in our area continue to climb. Jessica Layton now live in Livingston as hospitalizations surpassed 3,000 in New Jersey today. Jessica.
That's right, Christina Maurice, and hundreds more in the ICU. These numbers are the worst we've seen in months, and it's not even the worst of the second wave yet. New Jersey is shattering its own coronavirus records. New infections reported Friday soared to 5,673. That's hundreds more than the previous day. And a very concerned Governor Phil Murphy said, brace yourself. The next 2 to 3 months will be brutal.
We're in the holiday season. A lot of transmission in private settings. We can't get into everybody's living room.
Back in September and October, many patients were asymptomatic or mildly sick, but doctors are back to seeing serious symptoms.
We're seeing the low blood oxygen levels, the air starvation symptoms, that is really kind of scary.
And Dr. Alexander Salerno says that's driving people straight into our hospitals. Admissions hit 3,315 Friday. Of the 615 in the ICU, more than half are on ventilators. At his offices in Newark and East Orange, Dr. Salerno was testing 150 people a day about a month ago. Now it's about 800 a day.
The volume is just off the charts. For every 100 people we're testing, about 40 are positive.
Indoor sports in New Jersey for both kids and adults were shut down Friday. This was also the last day of Newark's 10-day shutdown to control the spread, which Mayor Baraka called effective.
We need to make sure that we buckle down and keep each other safe.
New York's numbers are also climbing. In a conference call, Governor Andrew Cuomo announced a 5.4% positivity rate with 4,200 patients in the hospital and 60 new deaths.
We have about 30,000 data points on where COVID is coming from. Over 70% are coming from household small gatherings, which are really beyond government control.
And doctors in both states tonight are warning we are still going to see a lot of people getting sick from their Thanksgiving gatherings. That will likely happen this weekend and into next week. Those numbers will be big, they say, and they are bracing for it. Live in Livingston, New Jersey tonight, Jessica Layton, CBS 2 News.
Okay, Jessica, thank you.